Ladies and gentlemen, sisters and brothers, teachers and students, welcome to the world's best ever Kurdish YouTube channel in the whole planet Earth, perhaps if not on Moon. So in this lesson, I'm gonna teach you how to make iced coffee in the easiest way. The iced coffee you have never tasted in your whole life. If you don't believe me, grab a taste. Alright, how is that made? Easy, simple process, under 1 minute, I promise. Let's tap into it. So the very first thing we need is a jar. The bigger the better. Then we need an instant coffee. I'm not gonna show the brand name. It's not advertisement video. And then we're gonna be needing condensed milk, some ice over here, and milk. So the reason why I use condensed milk is you can replace it with sugar or honey or syrup, the way you like it, guys. So let's keep it short. You will be adding some teaspoon of instant coffee. Then we're gonna need warm water until the coffee beans dissolves. Okay, now since this is done, we're gonna be adding some condensed milk. Look how heavy it is. I like this. This is very much satisfying, guys. This is very satisfying. Then gonna be needing some milk. Easy peasy, guys. Oops. Sorry, guys. So depending on the color, how dark or light you want your coffee be. So once again, you're gonna stir this. Last but not least, we're gonna put the ice in. Here we go. The coffee is ready to be served. That's our final product. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, otherwise I get angry or I would spill my coffee over you. Alright, subscribe my YouTube channel. Kurdi, the best YouTuber of all time. I'm not kidding. You can go and ask, search, Google my name, Kurdi. Okie doke. Bye bye for now. By the way, I'm gonna make another video on how to make iced tea. Okay, I promise. Unless you subscribe. Bye bye for now.